So you see right there is in there, and it has the metal on the sidings. I'm trying to add more light to it. Hopefully it'll help you see it a little better. So if you see it in there, but you see the metal right here. Those are the two little bars on each side that's gonna help the click. You see how it's looser there? I gotta bring those in probably a little more. Well, these look the same. It's just the shadow or the way it looks. They sticking out too. You see them? So you could tighten them to make the click harder. And the harder you tighten them, the harder it's gonna be for you to shift. And it's gonna probably feel more realistic or less to you. I don't know. Depending on how you feel, how you like it. And that's the top piece that goes to it to stop it from sliding up, you know, from detaching. And of course, that's the cable that I just broke. It disconnected, so I gotta reconnect that. You fixing one thing, another thing breaks, so that's probably gonna cost me. Or I already spent, the shifter alone goes for 200 and something on Amazon when I got it. I don't know, at the time of this video, it's probably 200, at the least 190. It never goes down, bro. It's THRUSTMASTER. But anyway, and I added a mod, and I spent numerous of dollars on mods just to show you guys the awesome things you could do with this shifter to make it feel as realistic as powerful as possible, so that you can get a good sim racing or drifting experience. Now, I've never experienced it with these clickies, click, but it felt good when I moved it. Check it out. Just so you always keep in mind when adding these mods, you want to put the actual stopper on the side where there's a bigger hole, more space, facing that way towards the right. When you place this point upward, it'll be your right. So when you shift, pop, it goes in the hole. You get it? It's not facing here. It's a smaller space, and you'll just be hitting the walls, and it won't even let you shift right. So we're gonna try to get this bad boy in there. I gotta loosen it up, push it in, tighten it up, and we're ready to go. And you can hear the click. So you see now it's in there, like a little better. The lock is in there. It's at the top. Pop. It came with it. The other one, it feels rubbery. This one is more like a 3D print, but it feels sturdy. I'm not gonna lie, it surprised me. Now that's the one that I had in here before. It feels like a little, it doesn't feel fake. That one just feels super light and fake. This is like a hard rubber. Like, this was made good, I feel, for the price point. And it just feels solid. You get like a more like a push. But now, and even the lock was amazing. The lock on this. And I was going to put this lock on that one, but I said, you know what? Let me try with everything it came so I could give it a nice, decent, and honest review. And now look how it sounds with everything on. Watch. This is the big test right here. How does it sound? And how does it feel? Sturdy? It's not attached. It's kind of loose. So we're just trying to work all around this. I ain't gonna lie, it feels good, and there's still room to tighten it up. I think now it just makes like a sound, but it's also like sturdier because there's something like stopping it stronger than before. I guess because it stops it right there in the middle. You can still, you know, shift side to side like a regular, you know, you can still do the whole joystick thing, but it's definitely a solid snap. And there's a lot of metal banging up against each other there. When I put the plate back, it'll be more sturdy. But I guess this cable right here from the PCB or what have you connection is on my mind, because this broke. So obviously the shifter right now in the middle of making this video stopped working. You fixed something, something else broke. So now let's get this fixed. But that's the way it sounds. Let's cover it up real quick. I'll do that for you, so you can really see how it sounds. I can't believe that snapped off. What can I do about that? Let me know if you would like to see more videos like this, and I'll make 2 or 3 more. Right now. Nah. Let me know in the comment section what you think. What else should I do? What else should I add? Huh? What else could we add to this thing? What are we doing? If you want to reach out to me, any companies, the link's in the description to my main channel, my phone number, my Discord, and everything. Hey, how you doing, guy? You okay?